A leased-line connection is a point-to-point, circuit-switched, connection-oriented, permanent connection. That's a mouthful, so let's break it down a bit. First, I said it was a point-to-point connection. There are no shared links here, just two sites connected by a dedicated circuit. However, one main site can have leased-line connections to several other sites. With this scenario, each is a dedicated link from the main site, like spokes on a wheel. Next, a leased-line connection is circuit-switched. This tells us the connections are established by configuring all switches between two sites. Once configured, we have a dedicated circuit defined, and no other traffic can use the links of this circuit. Leased lines are also connection-oriented. By definition, a circuit switch connection is connection-oriented. This means it's impossible to send data before both ends of the connection are established. And finally, I said leased lines are permanent. This type of connection is normally leased from the phone company for a period of months or years. It's just not cost-effective for shorter periods of time. So, now that we have a better understanding of what a leased line connection is, where and when should it be used? Well, leased line connections are normally used between major sites of a corporation, and only when there are large volumes of data being transferred. One reason why leased lines are only used between major sites is the cost of such a connection. Since the complete circuit is dedicated for use by one company, no one else can use this link, nor can they help pay for it. So even when no data is being sent, the link still needs to be paid for 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 52 weeks a year, and that includes Christmas with no discounts for holidays. You get the picture? Cost is a major disadvantage of leased lines. They can be very, very expensive. The advantages to leased lines are that they are dedicated to the owner with a guaranteed connection, guaranteed bandwidth, and guaranteed service. However, while leased lines are expensive, sometimes, depending on traffic flow, the leased line may be the only answer. Still, using a leased line connection between corporate headquarters and, say, a small remote office might not be cost-effective. So what technology might make better sense? Well, let's take a look at ISDN.